In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Adopt Me on your PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Adopt Me on a PlayStation 5 is extremely simple. This is because there's no need for additional setup or to join a different experience. You will be able to join the official Adopt Me experience directly on your PlayStation 5. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox on your console, and inside of it, look for Adopt Me. Usually it is going to be on the home screen of Roblox because it is a very popular experience. Once you select Adopt Me, you will be able to confirm if it is the official experience by the fact that it has more than 30 billion visits. So once you find the official Adopt Me experience, just highlight it and choose to join. You will load in immediately and you are ready to play. So pick up your controller and you will be guided through the controls. Basically, you just have to wait until you appear inside of the game, and you can use the left joystick or the D-pad to select options around the menus, so you will be able to choose play once you load in, and once you are out of any menus, you will be able to move your character with the left joystick. You can use the right joystick to move your camera, and the buttons like X, square, triangle, and circle to interact with objects around the map. So immediately upon joining, the first thing that you have to do is choose play. So make sure that you highlight play. As you can see, there is this little blue highlighter going between play and unlock. You just have to make sure that it is over play and then press X. Afterwards, choose the row, baby or parent. I'm gonna go ahead and choose parent, but that's up to you. And once you load in, you are ready to play. Now, just go through all of the menus. You will be able to decorate your house, interact with stuff. So as you can see, you can press specific buttons to interact with the furniture around your own house. You will be able to press up on the D-pad to edit your house, look at the walls, the floors, the stuff, stop editing, and so on. It is extremely simple, and this is a very high quality experience. It's a lot of fun and extremely popular. I highly recommend that you try it out. You will be able to do everything just like you would in any other platform. And if you ever want to switch from PlayStation 5 to PC, you will be able to do it, and it's very easy to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Adopt Me on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.